Hi guys, my name is Amy. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make a floral midi dress. This is another midi dress idea. I love wearing midi dress in the summer. The weather is so hot, then it's really convenient and comfortable to wear one piece like midi dress. Like on small my sewing tutorial, I just want to bring you guys a simple way to sew and hope you like my sewing. Now let's get started. I already drafted the pattern on the paper. My midi dress will be V-neck, gaiter at the front top, flare sleeves, and hidden zipper at the back. At the first time, I was going to cut 2 pieces for front top. Then you can see I drawn a seam allowance on the paper, but I think it's not necessary, so I'll cut one front top piece. For creating flare sleeve, you need to cut a normal sleeve first, then divide it into 6 panels from the bottom up to close the top, and keep the top a sleeve. Next, paste them on new paper with a distance of 4 cm, and we got a new flare sleeve. Alright, starting to stitching waist dot on front top and back top. Also, I'm gonna stick waist dart on front skirt and back skirt. And now, I'm going to connect front top to front skirt and front back to back skirt. And overlocking to protect the edge of fabric. So now, I'm going to connect front side and back side at the shoulder and both sides. At the center of back side from the bottom, go a 40 cm mark at there and stitching them together. And I'm gonna hem the bottom of skirt. Doing that on step on the lining part. And now connecting main part and lining part at the neckline. After that, I'm gonna cut the excess fabric around and turn the right side out. and then I'll understitch on the lining side to keep the neckline flat. Now from the top of back side, I'm going to go down 13 cm and mark it there. From there, I'm gonna pin the hidden zipper on and stitching them together. Okay, next I'll through the bottom of the dress, grab the top of the wrong side and put it through, so it's inside out, then sew them together from the top down to the end of the hidden zipper. Moving on to sleeves, first I'm going to hem the bottom of every single sleeve panel. After that, connecting side of each sleeve panel. Then I'm gonna put the small sleeve onto the bigger one and stitching them together at the top. And now it's time to pin the sleeve into the armhole and sew them together. Remember to overlocking the raw fabric. And lastly, I'm gonna cut some elastic with 15 cm length, put it between the top and sewing them together to creating gathering at the front top. And I finished. Here's the final look. Wow, I absolutely love it. I love the gathering detail at the front, flare sleeve, V-neck, and also the length of the dress. This midi dress is so flattering, beautiful, and it's made me more feminine and attractive. Hope you like this midi dress like me, and see you next Thursday. Bye!